Hello, in front of me I've got Starsand Island. In this video I'll show you how to find game achievements. In the beginning, let's go to menu and go to Island Live. Here you can find game achievements: Returning Resident, Island Pro, Home Builder, Bright Star and Starsand Legend. Each achievement gives you certain rewards. For example, for placing 6 furniture items in home, we will get 50 Starsand, crispy mushroom recipe and Rustic Outdoor Bench Blueprint. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.